Imagine you've just discovered a new, exciting app that promises to revolutionize your finances. You sign up, explore its features, and even deposit some money. But then, something doesn't quite sit right. Maybe it's the user interface, the fees, or perhaps you simply don't find it as useful as you thought it would be. Now, you're wondering, can you get a refund on Vivid? This is a question many users have asked themselves. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Vivid refunds. We'll explore their refund policy, discuss common scenarios where you might be eligible for a refund, and provide some tips on how to navigate the refund process smoothly. Vivid's refund policy. Let's start by understanding Vivid's official stance on refunds. While they don't explicitly outline a refund policy on their website, they do have customer support channels where you can inquire about refunds for specific situations. Common scenarios for refunds. Technical issues. If you encounter persistent technical problems that prevent you from using the app effectively, you might be eligible for a refund. For instance, if the app crashes frequently, or if you're unable to access your funds, you could request a refund. Misleading information. If Vivid provided you with inaccurate information about their services, fees, or terms and conditions, you might have grounds for a refund. For example, if you were promised a certain feature that turned out to be unavailable, you could argue that you were misled. Dissatisfaction with services. While it's less common, in some cases, users may simply be dissatisfied with Vivid services. If you've tried the app and found it doesn't meet your expectations, you could reach out to their customer support and explain your reasons for wanting a refund. Tips for navigating the refund process. Gather evidence. If you're facing technical issues or believe you were misled, gather evidence to support your claim. Screenshots, emails, or chat logs can be helpful in your case. Contact customer support. Reach out to Vivid's customer support through their preferred channels. Be clear and concise about your issue and your request for a refund. Be persistent. If your initial request is denied, don't give up. Be persistent and politely reiterate your reasons for seeking a refund. Consider chargeback. As a last resort, if Vivid refuses to provide a refund, you might consider initiating a chargeback through your bank. However, this should be done carefully, as it can sometimes lead to disputes. While Vivid doesn't have a publicly stated refund policy, it's possible to get a refund in certain circumstances. By understanding the common scenarios for refunds and following the tips we've discussed, you can increase your chances of a successful refund. Remember, the key to a successful refund is to be clear, persistent, and prepared to provide evidence if necessary. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and make the most of your financial journey.